Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint a lightning storm.
Let's run through the colors. Mars black, titanium white, burnt sienna, pearly red dark, quin red, cad yellow, primary yellow, phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, turquoise, phthalo green.
Let's get the party started! Today we're going to paint a lightning storm.
We just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So some of these really nice cloud cover. It's kind of circular at the top. I don't really like that. It kind of feels more like clouds on the other side. It's got this really nice darkness in the painting to make those clouds really feel kind of scary and electrified. And we got this really nice kind of brown, kind of generic landscape at the bottom. I think that works pretty well. Overall, I think I really like the painting. I think pretty strong standpoint. I think I'm stronger at doing kind of a landscape version of the lightning versus the cityscape. The cityscape, you have to be a lot more accurate with the buildings and kind of the contours of the street and all that, and it's just too much work. I just like the rough landscape. It's much easier. It's kind of easygoing. You don't have to be exact. You just get the feel of the brushes and kind of that. Same with the clouds. You can kind of be forgiving and change the clouds how you like to kind of fit, more darker, more bluer, lighter, etc. So you can really play with the clouds quite a bit. So I really like that. It's getting better, I think. Hopefully my prices get better. So we'll see. Yeah, hopefully you guys like it, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.